Hello, this is Silver Poseidon. I just got my third Provident metal unboxing. I just got the box in today. I'll open it up and see what's inside. Hopefully it's everything I ordered. What in the world? Let's see. Got a $100 bag, so I could put my 90% silver in there, junk silver. Empty. Empty airtights. Okay. Me and my buddy put in on this. He got 3 items out of this. I'll show them to you as we go along. Oh wow. Okay. So let's see. We got some Don't Tread on Me copper rounds, as you can see. I think it was 10 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Pretty nice coin. This is for the free shipping. The $1 Canadian silver dollar. Oh, this is a nice round. This is the 2013 Year of the Snake. I was born a Year of the Snake, so that's why I'm getting this. Let's see. Ran Refinery 1 ounce bar, 2013 Year of the Snake. This is what my buddy got. Pretty nice. This is a 1/10 ounce gold coin, Year of the Horse. I don't know if I'm going to actually collect the Lunar series of these or not. I got it because it was pretty cheap. We got $3 and 90% silver. It's pretty beat up. Lincoln, not like Ben Franklin. Oh, I know which ones I'm going to get. I got $2, he got $1. Alright, that goes to him. Oh, this one's heavy. Alrighty. Let's see. Take these off. Oh, these are the Zamba copper. Very nice. remember how many of these I got. Let's see. How many's in this one? 15. So there's 15 in this one. And this must be the silver one. I got 16 of these. My buddy got one. I'll take the other 15. These are the silver. I kind of got the series going on, trying to make sure I get 20 of each. That way if I do decide to sell them or not, I'm not sure. I like them. It says 2018 on it. So I'm assuming each one they're gonna do has a new year. Or maybe they like doing 4 years ahead, I don't know. I guess we'll find out when the next one comes out in April. Alright guys, so we added 15, 16 ounces plus $2, then the $1 Canadian. Thanks. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. See you guys later.